Boys and girls, these are the students that will be out on the front drive during drop-off. They're there to help you, sometimes walk our little ones to classes, sometimes help you carry things you're bringing in. So look at their faces, they'll be smiling in the morning, greeting everybody. So let's practice our greeting, guys, with a big smile. And say good morning, parents. All right, let's give them a round of applause as they take their seats, guys. Okay, we have two pioneers in the spotlight. We have Daniela Gonzalez and Elizabeth Romero. Come on, girls. It looks like they were pretty busy in a soccer tournament, and it looks like they showed incredible teamwork and, best of all, perseverance, which means they did not give up. Anybody want to say something? Good job. Keep up the great work. And let's give them a round of applause as they take their seats. Thank you, girls. We have another pioneer in the spotlight. Congratulations to Matias Lopez. Where's Matias? He was recognized at the school board meeting because he got the gold medal in bowling at the Special Olympics. So come on up, Matias. We need to celebrate his awesome achievement. He's wearing his mentality because we are better every day. That is awesome. Let's give Matias another round of applause as he takes his seat. Yay, Matias. Okay, now we have a football team in third grade. I think they're undefeated. They got a championship game coming up. So let's see. I see John and Maverick. I know Dominic's there and Xavier there and Oscar, goes by the big brother. Oscar and Maciel and Andres. Y'all come on out. Where's that team? Come on out.
Four. We only lost one match. There you go. And now we have our elementary championship division. Santa Clara, Julie Ellis, Olivia Logan, Christian Salas, Robert Ramirez, Philip Cornell, Diego Gonzalez, Tristan Correa, Carlo Rivera, and Nicholas Garcia. Kind of like our little, we were so far on top that we were also playing each other. So we are second, third, fourth, and fifth place. Individuals. Santa Clara to go second place. Mary Ramirez to go third place. Diego Gonzalez to go fourth place. And Nicholas Garcia to go fifth place. Way to go. And anybody else that is the championship that just missed it by just a little, come on up. I think there's one more. No. There's so many. I am so proud of their hard work and perseverance. Like I told you, at one point the power went out and they were sitting in the dark. The primary said, raise your hands. You want to play in the dark? No. It was pretty cool. They worked so hard. We're so proud of them.
Anybody want to say any words?
Way to go.
Nothing is still powered through. Elena wants a few words. I love it. Great communicator. Thank you so much, Mrs. DeGroot. And I know she has some little co-sponsors that help all the time. I know it's Miss Macias back here. It's Miss Setters, she's over here. Miss Gutierrez over here. Anybody else? Awesome. I know it takes a lot. They take up a lot of time, and they do it willingly. So we appreciate the sponsors and the support.
And parents.
Parents, thank you so much. Let's give our champions another round of applause as they take their seats.
And our trophies will be proudly presented today. Julia, you can come up for a screen? Oh, I'm sorry. I do want to mention this is about a large number of students that are playing in the competition on their own this weekend.
Stand up where you're at if you're playing chess this weekend. If you're playing chess on your own this weekend, stand up. That is just on their own. Good job, guys. Good luck to you guys. Awesome. Y'all can take a seat. Love it.
We have a new Century Club runner. And that person is Louisa. Come on down. Congratulations. And I hope next week that we have a lot of people. That's our goal. New year, new goals.
Awesome. Congratulations to Louise and guys. All of our Century Club members that made it in the first semester, that was 100 points in the first semester. We still have a whole another semester in the spring. So I'm looking forward to a lot of kids meeting that expectation and becoming AR Century Club members. Awesome. Congratulations, Louise. Let's give him a round of applause as he takes his seat. Ooh, we have Miss Logan. Okay. We have our yearbook cover winner. We had some great entries. You know that our fifth graders, we compete and they create a book cover our little world a better place. First grade has something they want to share. Let's give them your undivided attention, everybody nice and quiet, so that we can hear what they have to say.
Please send your donations to every first grade teacher. Thank you for your kindness and helping us to make a difference. Donations will be accepted until January 1st. You have all the time to bring them. Don't worry, there's plenty of time. Happy New Year. Let's hope students in need step into the new year with a new pair of shoes.
I love that it's a new year. We want students to step into a new year with a new pair of shoes. What a beautiful action project. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. First grade, raise your hand, first grade. This is all first grade. This is their action project. So let's support them and help them collect a lot of shoes so that we can donate them to students in need. Thank you so much, guys. Let's give them a round of applause. And I think we're ready for birthdays. All right, let's get ready for birthdays. We are starting off with Kayla Vega. He had a birthday December 31st. Please, Kayla, if you're here, please come on up. There it is. Let's give him a high five. Megan Benson, fourth grade. Ayana Alvarado, Jennifer, fifth grade with Miss Cutie. Jonah Mata, fifth grade with Mr. Sena Alberto, January 4th. Star Howard, January 5th, fourth grade with Miss Rios. Mia Kim,